Someone is at the front door.
In this video, I'm going to show you simple step-by-step instructions so you can use your Amazon Echo devices as a chime for your Blink video doorbell. This will work with all Echo models, including the Echo Dot, Echo Spot and Echo Show 5.
The first thing you need to do is open the Alexa app. Once open, press More and go to Skills and Games. Search for Blink.
Select the Blink Smart Home skill
and press Enable to use. You will then need to log into your Blink account. As you can see, my Blink Smart Home has been successfully linked to my Amazon account, so I'll press Close. It will now search for any devices. It has found my Blink camera, so I'm going to press Next. You can choose where it is. Mine will be on the front door, and I'll press Add to Group. It's now set up and ready to use. Now if you go back to Devices, you need to find your camera. Mine's the front door, then press the gear icon on the top right hand corner of the screen. You will then need to choose your announcement devices. These are the devices that will alert you when someone's at the front door. I'm going to select my Echo Pop, my Echo Spot and my Echo Dot. Press back. You can then choose to have motion announcements turned on and off. I keep this off personally, but you need doorbell press announcements on so that it will alert you when someone's at the door. You can also choose different sounds. Personally, I keep mine on default. It should now all be set up and working. The last thing to do is test it to make sure it works.
Someone is at the front door.
As you can hear, my Echo alerted me that someone was at the front door. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have, please make sure you like and subscribe as it really helps the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.